Hi, I'm Blake from PC, and today we're going to replace the screen off an eMachine PAV70 netbook. As you can see, the screen's cracked all through here, and it's basically unusable. So first thing we do is we're going to shut the machine off and remove the battery. The first step is to remove the screw covers. This is the little piece of plastic over top of the screws that hide the screws. I like taking them off and just sticking them under the bezel here so we don't lose them. So I'm going to remove these two screws. I've already taken the covers off just to save a little bit of time. But you have to just take your pry tool and pry them off with a dull knife. So put the screws off the side. The next step is to remove this the front bezel. So just take your pry tool. Sometimes you can see your finger, but you just want to, just this little clips will hold it in the outside. You just want to carefully remove the bezel. There's a webcam right up here, so you have to be careful you don't hit anything inside there. Once again, I've loosened this off a bit just to save some time, make it a little easier. I'm just going to take this off. Next step, there's just 6 screws on the outside holding the screw onto the back of the back bezel. So we're just going to remove those 6 screws. And the screen panel itself should just come right off the back bezel. Here's the wire for the webcam, so you want to carefully remove that so you don't pull it off the back bezel. Just going to put the screen down here. This particular screen only has one cable connected to it on the back, so we'll just have to peel that plastic off it. And carefully disconnect the connector. There we go. So there's the old screen. It's broken. And we're going to take out our new screen from Screen Country. First, I put it back in. So now I'll just do everything backwards. We'll connect this cable again. You'll hear it snap into place. Put the tape back on. And we're just going to place it back up top here. And we're going to put these 6 screws back in. It really helps having a nice magnetic screwdriver, just to hold all the screws on when trying to put them back in. Now we'll place the front bezel back on. It should just snap into place. I'll just show that. Take that back up. should hear it just snap back in. There we go. So just go all around the outside, just snap it back into place. Careful not to press too hard, you're going to crack the screen again. So nice and gently around the outside. There we go. Now just these two screws back in the bottom. And the final step is just to put these covers back on the screws. We'll do that later. Just make sure and turn it back on, see if it works. There you go, so that's a screen replacement for eMachine PAV70 netbook. And Blake from Perfect PC. Thank you.